You're watching Good Day Orlando on Fox 35.
And apps sharing your personal information, how you can protect yourself without deleting all those apps off your phone. First, though, convenience putting you at risk, how apps actually share your personal information. That's coming up. A consumer alert for you now. The apps that you download on your phone could be putting your personal information at risk. New research shows that Android apps secretly steal data and then share it with other apps.
And tech expert Tom Jelneck joining us now to talk more about this. Tom, good to see you this morning. He's coming. There he is. Tom, good morning.
Morning. How are you?
So how do these apps communicate with each other? We love to do these things. We love to download them on our phone, but sometimes they're talking about us. What's happening here?
So, as if you didn't have enough to worry about now, Ryan. So apparently, they did this big research project, found that they looked at 110,000 apps and found that a lot of them are actually talking to each other or colluding with each other.
Tom, there's a part of me that I try and limit my information, and if they talk to each other, I'm okay. But then there's that big question, what kind of information is at risk here?
So here's the frightening thing. Something as simple as a flashlight app that you download for free, you think is harmless, well, it could be actually accessing another app's permissions to use your camera or to get into your data or to even turn on your microphone.
Yeah, see, that's what worries me. I'm kind of one of those, what you put out there, people are going to read it, but then you find out that stuff's happening. How can you protect yourself? Because people want to use these apps. It's hard to get rid of some of these.
They do. You need a flashlight so you don't trip over yourself.
Absolutely.
But so here's the thing. Don't ever download an app from anywhere other than, the Google Play Store. That doesn't mean that they're all safe, but a lot of people will go download it from a website or some third party. That can be really dangerous.
And just to be clear, Android and Apple apps here, are these different in terms of how this works?
They are. They are. So the other pointer here is make sure you read the reviews on these apps. And if you notice that there's only 2 or 3 before you download it, don't download it. So that's an important tip. If a lot of people are talking about the app, hopefully it's safe.
Yeah, great piece of advice. And just like so many things, Tom, do your homework is the best advice, and make sure you know before you download something. Now, where can people find you, Tom?
They can go to tomjelneck.com or ontargetwebsolutions.com.
Both of which have good reviews as well. So good stuff.
Thank God.
Tom, great to see you this morning. Thank you.
Great to see you. Have a great weekend.